All right, this is kind of a follow-up video trying various methods to get a crack on a windshield. We cracked this windshield four-wheeling with my truck, and it cracked up to about here, and then sitting in the driveway the crack started to spread. And the same thing happened to my extremely rare and valuable Swedish car, and on that one sitting in the driveway the crack went all the way up the windshield and wrecked it. So what I tried to do here was drill what's called a relief hole. So you just take a drill bit and you just kind of kiss it with the drill bit to make a little hole here, and that stops the crack from spreading because it relieves the pressure on it. Here's a close-up look at the relief hole, and it's not an actual hole all the way through the windshield. You just want to maybe go a millimeter in and just take off the first layer of glass and make a little divot, and that's enough to relieve the pressure. So this isn't actually a hole, it's more of a divot. That's the theory anyway, and I did this a couple of months ago and it actually stopped. So I believe that it worked and it's going to continue to work. And then I squirted some Permatex windshield fixer in there as well, kind of the one with the vacuum pressure fit that supposed to pump it all the way through the crack, and I put a little bit of that stuff here and here and here. So we're hoping it doesn't crack anymore because it's not in my field of vision. So if you think about drilling one of these relief holes, I would say do it if you have a windshield crack, because it's much better than the alternative where it just grows and grows and grows.